Good afternoon. My day is now starting. I've been playing teacher, online schooling, stressful time of my life. So for the parents, I've been doing what I've been doing is the online learning with my child. My kids are pretty young, so you just can't, good luck, you know what I mean? Got to be there with them. So that's what I've been doing. My wife has her own career. She didn't have time today. Now when I'm in harvest season, she's always there for the kids, so it's just my turn. But we finished up for the afternoon. I'm gonna go get this day rolling. All right, so today we are going to put caster wheels on this bench. When I originally built this bench, it wasn't meant to move. Now that we're kind of using the shop a little bit more, this bench is more handy everywhere. So, you know what I mean? If you're working on something, you can just wheel it over there. You can work on it. You can bring the toolbox over there. It's almost in the way sometimes. And when I move it, you got to bring the forklift in because it's heavy. You can't move it. I may have over-engineered it. So anyways, we'll get her flipped, cut these down, put these 8-inch wheels on it, and then we can move it where we want. It'll be good. First of all, we're gonna get flipped. I'm not gonna bother taping that. I'm gonna take it outside because I don't want to scratch my floor. I'm gonna get rough with it, you know, flip it, bring it back in, good to go. Okay, I've already went around, put my little mark on, speed square. There we go. Then we'll just get the plasma cutter, cut them all off. Okay, so I don't know if anybody knows how a plasma cutter works. Just electricity, air pressure. To make a nice clean cut, you always put on a piece of scrap so you can just follow that line. Let's go. Be as good as you make it. Sometimes it helps to use a smaller piece. Here's what I got. Like that. Time last time, do them all. top it off. Gonna grind it smooth. Wes is going to grab the welder. Good to go. We got our magnet squares, our level. We're going to tack it, make sure it's still level, weld it solid. Very nice. Alright, so we put those plates on first and we set the wheel on. It's gonna be perfectly level. And then we got lots of strength out here, and I might put a bracket here. There we have it. Get her flipped over. Just glides. It works. Anyways, to the parents out there who are struggling teaching their kids, because I know I am, here's to you, and I know the teachers are having a rough time too. I feel for you, especially if you guys, or people, guys, girls, everybody, if you do not have the support I have, like I have my mom, my mother-in-law, my wife, me, my brother, we're all gonna take turns help my kids through this time of online learning. In my opinion, it's not that great. I'm gonna make do, because I gotta take all the time out of my day. I know some people are gonna have to take a day off. That's not gonna work out for you. But anyways, here's to you. Cheers. Hope you guys are enjoying what you're watching.